Intro hook. Have you ever found yourself staring at a check, wondering how to turn it into cold hard cash? Well, you're not alone. Depositing a check can seem like a daunting task, especially if you're new to banking. But fear not. In this video, we're going to break down the process of depositing a check at Relay Bank, step by step. Why choose Relay Bank? Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about why you might choose Relay Bank for your banking needs. Relay Bank offers a range of convenient services, including online banking, mobile apps, and a network of physical branches. One of the key benefits of using Relay Bank is their user-friendly approach to banking, making it easy for customers of all ages and tech levels to manage their finances. Step 1. Gather your materials. To deposit a check at Relay Bank, you'll need a few things. The check you want to deposit. Your Relay Bank account number. Your government-issued ID, e.g., driver's license, passport. Step 2. Find a Relay Bank branch. If you prefer to deposit your check in person, you'll need to locate a Relay Bank branch near you. You can find branch locations on the Relay Bank website or mobile app. Step 3. Enter the bank. Once you've found a branch, simply enter the building and look for the customer service desk. Step 4. Approach a teller. At the customer service desk, you'll likely be greeted by a teller. Inform the teller that you'd like to deposit a check. Step 5. Present your check and ID. Hand the teller your check and your government-issued ID. The teller will verify your identity and examine the check to ensure it's valid. Step 6. Fill out a deposit slip. The teller will provide you with a deposit slip. Fill out the deposit slip with your account number, the amount of the check, and any cash you may be depositing along with the check. Step 7. Endorse the check. On the back of the check, sign your name in the endorsement area. This signifies that you are transferring ownership of the check to Relay Bank. Step 8. Hand over the check and deposit slip. Return the endorsed check and the completed deposit slip to the teller. Step 9. Verify your deposit. The teller will process your deposit and provide you with a receipt. Double-check the receipt to ensure that the amount deposited matches the amount on the check. Alternative, depositing a check online or using the mobile app. If you prefer to deposit your check without leaving home, Relay Bank offers convenient online and mobile banking options. To deposit a check online or using the mobile app, you'll need to have a scanner or smartphone camera to capture an image of the check. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Relay Bank account through their website or mobile app. Step 2. Go to the deposit feature. Look for the deposit check or similar feature. Step 3. Capture an image of the check. Follow the on-screen instructions to capture a clear image of the front and back of the check. Step 4. Enter additional information. You may need to enter your account number and the amount of the check. Step 5. Submit your deposit. Once you've completed the necessary steps, submit your deposit. Relay Bank will process the deposit and update your account balance accordingly. Additional tips. Keep a copy. Before handing over your check, make a copy for your records. Check your balance. After depositing the check, monitor your account balance to ensure that the funds have been credited. Report lost or stolen checks. If your check is lost or stolen, contact Relay Bank immediately to report the incident. Conclusion. Depositing a check at Relay Bank is a straightforward process that can be completed in person or online. By following these steps and keeping in mind the additional tips we've provided, you can confidently deposit your checks and manage your finances with ease. Call to action. Have you ever had trouble depositing a check? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful banking tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.